No. Uh, Hello. I'll start trading. Hello. I'll start trading in like 2, 3 minutes more. I'll see. First live stream of 2026. Uh, where are we? मैं charts नहीं देख पाऊंगा 1 सेकेंड. iPad यूज करना पड़ेगा. Hello. Uh, I'll see. Probably I'll try looking for longs. Shorts also is fine for me. Uh, but now it's fine. क्या चल रहा है? So yes, already like yes तो अभी इसको निकाल देंगे. कुछ फायदा नहीं है. तो डेली टाइम फ्रेम में जो ऑल टाइम हाई था उसको लिया एंड वी काइंड ऑफ रिजेक्टेड फ्रॉम देयर बट एनजीओ तो गया ही नहीं ऑल टाइम हाइस तक. तो जा सकता है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. आज देखना पड़ेगा क्या होगा. मार करके रखेंगे ऑल टाइम हाइस. भी एसएमटी तो ऑल टाइम हाइस के साथ था. सो वी हैव एसएमटी विद ऑल टाइम हाइस. ओवरऑल देखूंगा. आई फील लाइक टुडे वी माइट बी बेरिश. भी एसएमटी ऐसे भी है but like this 4 hour SMT here and we didn't have this 4 hour gap जो इधर hourly gap भी है and premium discount we are still at that discounted area. I feel like this 1 hour gap will be perfect to like look for shorts till then. Probably longs on ES versa but NQ uh, this also same. And the thing which I like most is जो ये 1 hour का gap है. It's also aligning with this Asia high, the Asia high. देखना पड़ेगा like it has to be bit reactive. Yeah, that's what it has to be like bit reactive क्योंकि जो 4 hour का जो बॉटम विकी नहीं है इस 4 hour ये आराम से फ्लिप कर सकता है. और ये फ्लिप करेगा तो ये पूरा फिल करेगा ये जो विक है. तो if it flips it'll go here probably these lows क्योंकि 4 hour time frame में we have inverted this gap. So mainly I am bearish today. We'll see that this is like proper sweep. जब ऐसे close होता है we take out this side but the body closes exactly at that level and we have SMT with this 4 hour high as well like ऐसे कुछ uh, like no good gaps to like put target as क्योंकि कहीं से भी react कर सकता है. 1 second. ओके कुछ ऐसे करके ऐसे कर सकता है. फिर यहाँ से ऐसे कंटिन्यू ऑल टाइम हाइस तक. So yeah, uh, what's the time? 57. 3 more minutes. So we tap this 4 hour gap, and we have kind of SMT here. थोड़ा गंदा प्राइस एक्शन है, एक बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस है, एक बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस है. I would like to like put probability more. अगर probability देखा जाए तो with this 4 hour inversion and this hourly inversion और ये थोड़ा बहुत ये hourly CIST भी है इधर. This the high, this the low, this somewhere here. मोस्टली bearish ही होगा क्योंकि ये hourly breaker block है ये पूरा एरिया. So I feel it should reject this. याद रखूंगा कि यहाँ पे SMT है. We have low resistance liquidity generated here. Also low resistance liquidity here. So देखना पड़ेगा. It mainly depends on how market reacts जब open करेगा. जा सकता तो इधर तक. हम्म, इतना ही रहना देता. वन मोर मिनट मार्केट ओपन होगा. प्रॉब्ली मार्केट ऐसा कर सकता है ओपन होते ही वेयर इज ट्राइंग टू मार्केट होते ही ऐसे इसको विल स्वीप आउट दिस साइड देन पुश लोअर. कुछ ऐसा हो सकता है. So mainly concentrated here. And ES might tap this 4 hour gap and then push lower. नहीं तो if it gives like a good break, फिर ये break करके retest करके फिर इधर 1 hour तक जाएगा. फिर उधर से I'll try selling because this comes in this discounted area. Okay, we'll see. पूरा ऊपर जाएगा. Man, damn, nice volume. 50 ticks. अकाउंट पास कर सकता है ऐसे. अकाउंट से फुल पोर्ट. It's definitely gonna go to this Asia high. ओके, एशिया तक चले जाएगा. 30 मिनट में देगा तो या दिस इज एशिया. जाना तो चाहिए इधर तक. ओके, हाँ टैप किया. सो दिस राइट नाउ लाइक एस इज इन दिस 4 hour गैप. इसको हटा देता हूँ ज़्यादा होगा. ओके, सो एस इज इन दिस 4 hour गैप. आरली के साथ कुछ एसएमटी है, समथिंग लाइक दिस. Yeah. वेट, कुछ इस आरली गैप से रिएक्शन देगा तो आई ट्राई लुकिंग फॉर सेल्स. How was the tournament? Tournament was kind of good. The team we lost against, they won. They won the tournament, and we lost in like last set dues. So team event था, so sucks. Okay, this also tapped Asia, so both are actually correlated. That's good. चले जाएगा ये प्राइस रेंज कहीं यहाँ पे होता तो आई वुड हैव लुक फॉर लॉन्ग्स. till this high, till this high. क्योंकि this was like relative equal highs, 1 hour gap और ये शायद ही था. So this was very good draw and everything got respected. ये 15 मिनट gap ये गया, ये वाला ऐसे छोड़ गया था. And my Insta account is banned. Probably अगर 20th Jan तक अकाउंट नहीं आया तो नया अकाउंट बनाऊंगा. What to do with that? Hmm. We'll see. It depends on how this 5 minute closes. क्योंकि if there are like two cases, one is like liquidity sweep, other is liquidity run. This clearly looks like liquidity run or like 5 minute इतना ऊपर. अगर स्वीप करता तो ऐसे कुछ विक करके नीचे चल जाता, ऐसे आता विक करता नीचे चल जाता, या फिर इसके ऊपर ही ग्रोथ हो रहा है. So this is like liquidity run. We'll try to go till these highs. Will you be going live daily from now on? I'll try to. I am kind of busy. मतलब I'm preparing for an exam. I'll see. Uh, so, okay, so man, it's actually too much volatile right now. I can't enter. That's the thing. बहुत बड़ा gap है. Even if I want to like look for shots, it's very big. Mm. Yeah, I've taken payout from futures. This size the. Mm. Yeah, बस पूरा दिन ऊपर ही जाएगा. Mm. कितना होगा? I feel like it'll go all time highs again. यही होगा ना all time high. There's no way I'm shorting this market. This is something which I take regularly. Here, price comes lower. 3 minute ka inversion, 3 minute long, 1 to 1. Oh, it's gold. Gold was all time high. Yep. पर इसको retrace होगा शायद ना till this gap at least. Essentially यार थोड़ा there's a sweep. This is sweep. Sweep ऐसे close होगा तो sweep होता. Kind of rejecting this. अगर ये gap close करेगा तो नहीं तो react here. Some inversion shots still here. How much time should I give to pass an eval? Around a week or two? Max 1 month. 1 month is the time, right? You take your time and clear. If you have money, try clearing it like 1 day. Or else 2 days अगर 50% consistency होगा तो it's literally useless like trying to clear account again. अरे रिट्रेस कर पापा. Sorry, 70%. What did you pass? Any UT account? I didn't understand what you mean by that. Any UT account? What do you mean by UT? Okay. Up here, longs continuation. It up here. यहाँ पे तो बहुत नीचे है. Quantable account. Even by QT. Yeah, I haven't taken quantical account if QT is quantical. Nah, I hate that firm. I trade futures upon what like CFD. So quantical doesn't even make sense. Oh, I वो और रिट्रेस कर लेता। आज थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही वॉल्यूम हो गया है। इट्स प्योरली बेस्ड ऑन दिस accumulation, ये जो accumulation हुआ लास्ट मिनट में, 5 मिनट में और गंदा था। accumulation, manipulation to this 5 minute internal low, distribution, LR भी था, hourly gap, Asia high, 4 hour gap. This 15 minutes is gonna close. Okay, tap here, longs. The thing about continuation is, जब भी continuation रहता है, I'll talk better. Others, the thing which I like about continuation is, अगर price ऊपर गया, and I don't like if it goes to like 50% or नीचे, it should be above this 50% mark. थोड़ा ज़्यादा probability है. This is something which I understood from my this thing continuation जो practice किया है. So if this pullback comes to like 50 या इसके नीचे, then the probability of this failing is high. अगर ये 50 के नीचे ही थोड़ा retrace करके या कहीं inversion मिलेगा तो अच्छा probability है. That is something which is happening right now. From this to low to this high, this low to this high. If I want to like take continuation long till these highs, it should stay above this 50% mark. तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा it the probability increases. मेरा win rate थोड़ा बहुत increase हुआ था उससे. That 5 minute. See, if there was a 3 minute long, blindly enter. Right now we have this inversion. I can take. देंगे देता है कि नहीं. There's like a 2 minute also. 3 minute में नहीं होगा. यप 2 मिनट का और ऊपर क्लोज हो जा, नहीं तो आप टू वेट फॉर लाइक 2 more minutes, फिर इंटरनल हाई ले लेगा. Yep, have to wait for 2 minute inversion. It's 25866. 25. It's so high here. 25866. 3, 2, 1. Okay, enter that. थोड़ा लेट एंट्री हुआ. Here. It should be a quick enough trade. Take on here. Okay, nice push. Oh, damn. Fastest trade. Oh my God. Damn. Bro, I didn't even realize. Seriously. My account बंद ना कर दे. Fastest trade of my life. $500. $513.70. See, this is why I love continuation model. हाँ, इतना वॉल्यूम ऐसे आता पता चलता तो इधर तो वोट कर देता. आई डेंट नो कि ऐसे आ जाएगा एक ही सेकंड में. यप, बैंगर. जी जी. देखो एक्चुअली ऐसा अगर ऐसे कैंडल क्लोज करता है तो यू कैन इजीली होल्ड टिल हियर. आई दिमागी स्लो मैं I was literally watching here. Ah, a reason for this trade. So basically what happened is इसको मैं डिटेल में मैं बताऊंगा. ठीक है. So what did we have is market open किया right here. सो प्री मार्केट क्या हुआ, वी हैड लाइक दिस होल अक्यूमुलेशन। सो प्राइस क्या करता है यूजुअली, अक्यूमुलेशन ऐसे कुछ, फिर मैनिपुलेशन, फिर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। ठीक है। तो ये क्या था, अक्यूमुलेशन था। फिर अगर आप 5 मिनट में जाओगे तो यू कैन सी दिस वाज द 5 मिनट फेयर वाले गैप विच गॉट ट्रेडेड। ओके। एक बार ट्रेड करके फिर ऊपर गया, फिर ये 4 आवर का क्या 4 आवर का फेयर वाले गैप हिट करके नीचे आया। फिर वी स्वेप्ट आउट दिस अगेन, पर ये फेयर वाले गैप होल्ड किया। सो आफ्टर दिस वी सॉ दिस बिग एक्सपेंशन, क्योंकि लो रेजिस्टेंस लिक्विडिटी था ऊपर। सो वी सॉ दिस ह्यूज एक्सपेंशन। So I was like, अगर expansion होगा, there's difference between like liquidity sweep and liquidity run. तो ये क्या हुआ इधर 1 आवर का हाई, आई वांटेड टू टेक कि अगर ऊपर जा रहा है तो ऊपर ही देखूंगा। सो व्हेन डिड आई नो कि बाइस देखना, जब अभी एशिया, ये जो था 1 आवर, दिस वाज लाइक एशिया हाई। ओके। सो अगर अगर लिक्विडिटी स्वीप होना था तो ये क्या करता, बस माय ड्राइंग टूल। ओके। लिक्विडिटी स्वीप होना तो ऐसे ऊपर जाता, इस पे विक करता, फिर ऐसे नीचे जाता। ठीक है। इतना स्ट्रांगली ऊपर नहीं जाता। हाउ डू आई नो दैट, इट्स ऑन 5 मिनट। 5 मिनट में इतना बड़ा क्लोज देगा तो ऑब्वियसली बाइज ही होगा मेनली। ओके। एंड वी आर ऑलमोस्ट एट ऑल टाइम हाइज। अगर आप ई एस देखोगे तो दिस इज ऑल टाइम हाई। सो अगर ऐसा रहता तो आई यूजुअली लुक फॉर बाइज, एंड फ्रॉम देयर व्हाट डू आई नीड एज एंट्री। और एक चीज़, अगर मैं कंटिन्यूशन देखता हूँ तो आई आई वॉन्ट रिट्रेस अबोव 50% मार्क। यहाँ से यहाँ पे देखूंगा तो दिस वॉज अबोव 50% मार्क, दैट फिल्स माई क्राइटेरिया। नहीं तो अराउंड 50% भी चलता, पर इफ इट्स अबोव 50% मार्क आई लाइक। एंड देन 15 मिनट कैंडल क्लोज लाइक दिस, इन्वर्टेड दिस गैप, 5 मिनट वी ट्रेड इनटू दिस 5 मिनट का फेयर वैल्यू गैप। और यहाँ पे एक्चुअली 1 मिनट का गैप इधर आ, बट 1 मिनट गैप इधर था, पर 2 मिनट गैप का इधर था। सो वंस this 2 minute got inverted, मैं ट्रेडोइड में देख सकता हूँ। सो या once this 2 minute got inverted, that was the highest time frame. फिर I entered trade as soon as it closed. Nice break even spot, nice TP. So TP was this hourly, अगर 1 hour पे जाओगे तो 1 hour का fair value gap था। So I just magnet, this is the last fair value gap, this is called LFEG. So yeah, that was my target. यूजुअली आई ट्राई टू लुक फॉर जस्ट ट्रेड में, अगर अगर 3 मिनट का होता तो मेरा विन रेट अराउंड 96% था। सेम चीज़ लाइक दिस, अगर ऐसे पंप करता है ऊपर, फिर नीचे 5 या 15 मिनट फेयर वाले गैप टाप करके 3 मिनट इन्वर्जन देता तो इट्स अराउंड 96% समथिंग विन रेट। एक ही बार फेल हुआ था, सो आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर दैट, पर 2 मिनट कम था। बट आफ्टर दिस पुश आई फील लाइक इट शुड गो टिल हियर, नहीं तो कुछ 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 कांड करेगा। द न्यू 4 आवर कैंडल इज गोना ओपन। और ये फिल भी था ये प्रॉपर, अगर ये फेयर वाली आप देखोगे तो 4 आवर का फिल भी है ये, पूरा फिल किया है इस फेयर वाली आपको। फिर उधर से ही रिजेक्ट कर रहा है इधर। और आई प्रेफर टू होल्ड टिल हियर। नहीं कर पाया लाइक, अगर ऐसे कुछ ऐसे देखेंगे क्या होता है वेनेजुएला। यहाँ पे भी था ट्रेड, तो उस लाइक 30 सेकेंड इन्वर्जन, उससे 30 सेकेंड इन्वर्जन ना सोचा था। पर यहाँ पे 30 सेकेंड होता तो टेक अ ट्रेड, put this internal high as break even, let it hit break even or let it hit TP। बहुत बार TP hit होता है, so you can do that also। Everybody. Now it's bad. Yes ले चुका है. Yes already has. Is it this side? This sucks. अभी यहाँ से SMT बनाते जाएगा, ये नीचे जाते जाएगा ऐसे. I want to see कि अगर ये once the candle closes, we might like trade back ऐसे कुछ, फिर यहाँ से ये. This means this SMT is holding. 5 minute will close in 30. Oh, flip कर गया. So you can like take a trade here exactly here कहीं तो हमसे 5 minute closes. इसको close करने दो. Once this candle closes, take some inversion, keep the spray on, let it run. ज़्यादा comfortable हो. मैं होल्ड करता तो इतना ये जब क्लोज कर देता. Tap this 5 minute. उससे continuation मिल सकता है यार. Now it's a bit hard. अभी longs के लिए I would prefer not to take longs till this gap gets completely inverted. जब ये gap properly invert होगा तब तक okay, क्योंकि अभी 15 मिनट का we leave this 15 minute gap now. It's better to trade back here फिर इधर से longs. Four hour candle also opened. I should take this side फिर try taking shots like PO3 या कुछ. Bro, Mr. Trade as incurrent inverse the gap in CFD. Uh, the 2 minute gap. That's why I don't use CFD profilms. हर एक प्रॉब्लम का अलग अलग चार्ट है. Okay, we should got that intermediate low. If this gap gets inward, then it should go till here. Where is the sell-ons? Uh, my plan right now is simple. Let this gap get inversed. Let it come till here. Then from there, I'll try looking for longs. अगर ये और एक बार हाई स्वीप करता then I would have been comfortable taking shots. पर ये हाई नहीं लिया. It's left out. जो 4 hour का हाई है. This 4 hour high is left out. This 4 hour high is left out. So let's see where till where it goes. Uh, Probably till here. अरे 5 minute इनोट करेगा तो I can try taking till 15 minute, but my 5 minute inversion movement is so bad. Let it come till this 15 minute. Oh, this also has to invoke this 5 minute. अगर ये invoke करेगा तो probably till here. Oh, it was so close to inverting. अभी यही जाएगा भागेगा. And what here? अगर ऐसा होता ना अगर अगर कुछ ऐसे इन्वर्जन अगर इस गैप को इन्वर्ट करना था लास्ट सेकंड में ऐसे जाता है ना तो समझ लेना अगला कैंडल भागेगा लाइक 1 मिनट में ज़्यादातर 1 मिनट में ऐसा होता है नेक्स्ट कैंडल फाड़ देता है देखना पड़ेगा कि 5 मिनट में होता है कि नहीं haven't seen in 5 minute that much but yeah like अगर 1 मिनट में ऐसा कुछ तो फिर इन्वर्ट करते करते रहेगा अगला कैंडल भाग जाता गिर जाओ I'll be ready to take longs like this. If I take this long right here, I feel like Blake or PB, they would have tried waiting for this. Probably they'll take same trade. Okay. अब होल्ड कर रहा है ये 5 मिनट दिस होल्डिंग प्रॉपरली यप सी के ऊपर ही है दिस इज होल्डिंग पर यहाँ पे नहीं कर रहा है Even if this gap inverts, I'm not taking this. Probably invert करेगा. From here, longs are like way much better. Instead of like taking shots from this inversion. See. Yeah, bro, I have like four past accounts right now. I passed Apex, I have this thing. I passed two Apex, and I passed one funding tricks. And I have one dodgy जिसने किया था 150 हुआ सही है. That is not running. I don't know why. I can't use that dodgy. That's actually $150,000 account. I have to trade in that. So, I actually wanted to clear that 150K account. Uh, हाँ नो आप आज देर सपोर्ट अगर अगर आज मेल करूंगा तो 2 दिन बाद रिप्लाई आता है एपेक्स का. 5 minute is holding. It's too choppy. I was bold. सेम चीज यही करेगा तो अच्छा रहेगा. टेक दिस 4 hour high trade till here. Yeah, this would be better trade here. Short still here. See if you can get any news in here. क्या कर रहा है ये? It's too choppy right now. Yeah, price is actually choppy, so staying out of it. जब यही करेगा तो I'll probably take trade only if it does this. And this is my ideal setup. Any inversion here, take long sell here. Twice like don't trade at all. Did if funded next futures, probably I'll try that. Next account which I buy would be funded next only. जब सीपी आएगा तब लूँगा क्योंकि आई कैन फुल पोर्ट इट। ओके सडन वॉल्यूम आई डोंट नो व्हाई। ओके how does ICT concepts work in Nifty? Yeah, it does, it does. I have actually tried it, does. पर उतना अच्छा काम नहीं करता है, पर it does. क्योंकि the thing is that you can't use it in options properly. क्योंकि if you use it in options, let's say I took call options right here. ये चार्ट में ये बढ़ता रहेगा, पर your premium doesn't move. That's the only problem with this. It works properly, but that thing sucks. क्योंकि see, if I take trade like I took longs right here, right? यहाँ पे लॉन्ग लिया रहूँगा स्टॉप लॉस का ही, तो यहाँ पे टारगेट यहाँ पे ऐसे कुछ दिस कैंडल वुड हैव हिट टीपी, पर जितना आना चाहिए पैसा उतना आया नहीं रहेगा क्योंकि प्रीमियम वर्क्स डिफरेंट, फिर थीटा डके अल्फा बीटा गामा, यू हैव टू सी दैट, सो इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू मैनेज। या सी I'll see, कल ही होगा सीपीआर, कल ही है शायद उसे। हाँ, so that's why it's bit hard। मैं तो अच्छे से काम करता है। But I would recommend to like not trade Nifty, Bank Nifty, would be not your financial advisor, but your upper Nifty, Bank Nifty. Damn, it's actually going good. I don't know, आप बहुत दिन से ट्रेड नहीं किया, I don't know why the sell off came. Geopolitical न्यूज़ था क्या? अरे यार क्या कर रहा है? This 5 minute actually holded. I wanted it to invert यहाँ पे, आप फिर इधर से longs. Looking for one more trade. Yep. How do you full port UL? Just keep buy stop, sell stop. Just press. अगर यहाँ पे let's say 1 minute. You can do it in like market open also. यहाँ पे देखो. This swept up this low. So what you can do is like uh keep your buy limit, like press here, put some buy limit here. यहाँ पे इस हाई के ऊपर just full put your this thing account. यहाँ से यहाँ तक टीपी चले जाएगा। एंट्री में करना चाहिए, मिनी में करना चाहिए। लेट्स से market opens where eight, this is the ATM candle. So if you keep your stops over this side also, at uh, hmm, 4 or 3 is also done. सही हो गया फुल पोर्ट अकाउंट आ जाएगा बट some problems of consistency rule इसीलिए oh 500% tariff for India got it. Yep, 9:30 manipulation. Are you talking about this or like bank nifty Indian market or like this 9:30 also is same. If you're talking about this full port news, Ival, but the thing is that you have to like be sure रहना चाहिए. You might lose one. नहीं तो क्या करो? Try Apex. Okay, Apex. What you can do is have two accounts. Okay, it comes in 19 or $20. If you're ready to pay activation 20. Okay, $40 में account मिलेगा. And one you buy stop here full port, one you sell stop here full port. कहीं एक तो जाएगा. कभी कभार एक पे करके दूसरी तरफ चले जाता है. That you can't do anything. That's why CPI is the best. CPI always gives one direction. That's why people full port CPI. If you want to full port news, only full port CPI. CPI सिर्फ एक ही जगह जाता है. It won't manipulate lower than go higher. It goes in one direction 90% of the time. भाई क्या चॉपी है. 850. I'll stay for 10 more minutes. I'll see if I can get trade TV. अगर ये चॉप होगा तो मिल गया. After this expansion accumulation comes. But I wanted a bit more volume कि यहाँ पे लो ये के trade longs. इन्वर्ट ही नहीं है ये 5 मिनट. The speaker trading model works on BTC 8.2 like trade crypto. Yeah, it does work. If you you can if you have capacity just trade normally and clear it. It's better. Like full port अगर तुम लोग proper eval traders हो जो payout ले चुका then you can like full port. Otherwise better not to do that. कि let's say by chance it's not 100% कि ऐसे ऊपर या नीचे जाएगा ना. Sometimes it breaks down and then goes. That risk you have to take. अगर वो ले सकते हो तो then try. I think it's like 20 points ऊपर 20 points नीचे. ऐसे 30 25 या 30 points. So 30 points ऊपर हाँ. Buy stop, sell stop, sell. Yeah, you can do that. Like you trade crypto, I try to, yeah, I do it. I was in this trade, I closed it somewhere here. I holded it. Binance में लिया था with 100x leverage or something. X leverage was that 8. The login to Binance. 75% leverage. I longed exactly here, and then I had to close it somewhere here. 3 दिन तक उठ गया. It started consolidating, and then I closed it. This trade I took. It does work though. This key level is very nice. I was too sure that this gap will hold. This was this weekly fair value gap. This was the last weekly fair value gap. It held it here. It closed bullish. So I was like, it should work. It should trade till this weekly unfilled gap. नहीं तो there was a daily unfilled gap also. So price might get higher from here. So this is the least amount I wanted to see price go. Because this was already manipulated. ठीक है. Uh, 1 week या 1 month monthly का था शायद. Yeah, this manipulated in this monthly gap. But this max to max it should come till here. So the this gap holded, it's still pushing higher. See, so the chances are that कि यहाँ से यहाँ तक push करे. What's the price? 95,993. फिर इसके ऊपर से you can keep your stops to break even and let it. You can hold it forever if possible. Sometimes it might do क्योंकि अगर यहाँ से push किया तो it rarely comes down. So some it does work. It works very good. Yeah, yeah. People, some people they mess up. The thing is that if data comes neutral, right, it doesn't move at all. ऐसे एक week देगा फिर उधर से ही trade करने लग जाएगा. That you have to be very careful. Okay, now I took out this side. Uh, buy side. Hmm. Targeting previous day high. Uh, it might work, but if you think it goes, it might go. So yeah, even I'm planning to take longs, but from this level or this level. So I'm just waiting for that. So you can hold till previous day. It's this previous day, I guess. Wait. That's for this. This side. This side right here. It's a bit too much, I guess, for now. Bro, are you looking for longs? All the low sensitivity is below London, bro. Draws should be clear, right? That's why. So if it's going higher, the next draw is the side, the side. It doesn't matter कि low resistance liquidity wall bar छोड़ भी देता है. We had low resistance liquidity right here. It didn't trade here. Okay, this is also a good blow. It's 10 dot. There's a new slow also. Then get ready to. After this push, I don't think so. It should come all the way down. नहीं होता वैसे. See this move right here, right? बहुत strongly close किया था तो it went down because the slow फिर इधर से slowly ऊपर आया. So mostly ऐसे ही कुछ होगा. It depends कि कैसा है model. Now Lawrence liquidity is right here. So this generated अभी अभी कितना points का है ये? 60 points. So this is fine. अगर the low resistance liquidity right here is somewhere 300 points, so it's very hard to tell these I or नहीं. Uh, what else? London blues. Where is London blue? I don't think so. I'll do it. So yeah. So basically, this was the where is it? To you study market maker model like how it works. This was sell model. फिर यहाँ से क्या buy model. So all the gaps are getting respected. So I don't think so. It should. अभी यहाँ से ये नोट करना पड़ेगा ये नोट करके फिर यहाँ पे आके सिर्फ लंदन लो लेने नहीं आएगा. It has to move. This price range is at least $1 trillion. कोई $1 trillion बेच नहीं रहेगा कि ऐसे ही just 1%. Yep, it's at least $1 trillion fund. इतने मुंह में इंडिया खरीद सकता है. I don't think so. It'll come. It's like that. So study market maker model how it works. So this right now we are in this market maker buy model till a key level. We draws a high, A. So target these highs. That's where like most people struggle. The price is going higher and people think कि ऐसे नीचे low resistance liquidity है. They'll try shorting everywhere. बहुत लोग किया होगा यहाँ पे. They would have seen this fair वाले gap. They would have seen this fair वाले gap. They would have seen this big fair वाले gap. This gap. They would have tried shorting here. So they would have mostly failed. You're not on Insta anymore. My account got banned sadly by Instagram. I don't know what to do. It thinks that I am not Nainit. It thinks I'm impersonating someone else. The guy who reported me, his name is literally in some Arabic words, and it thinks that I'm impersonating him. So it just banned me permanently. My camera. Yeah, and if I create account, I tried creating one account. It banned me there also. So I have filed a case. I'm trying to get my old account back. We'll see how it works. ब्लू टिक खरीद के कुछ करना पड़ रहा है. It's very sad. Even this, if you guys know, yeah, guys know easy this thing, easy snippet, same चीज़ हुआ उसके साथ. The thing is that he's popular, he can create new, and he has good enough connections to get it back. Not with me, so क्या कर सकते हैं. बहुत लोगों का हुआ है. I got to know कि ऐसा भी होता है कुछ. And I've been using Instagram for at least 10 to 12 years. How much points if you want to? There's a reel. 1 second. I'll tell you exactly how many points. But it's not advised by me. If you are like in proper drawdown, like $1,000, 2,000 for like 50K, if you're like 1,500, $2,000 like negative, then try that. फिर तुम break even या थोड़े profits में हो गए तब then you can use it normally. Where is this? I also get many reels how to full port CPI. CPI क्या? Oh yeah, it was saved on my trading account. It's banned. Sorry, sorry, sorry. I'm searching in my personal account and nothing is there. It's in my trading account. It's got banned. Sorry. I'll search and put it on my Discord or something if I get. I exactly don't know how much is it. It was in my trading account. सेव करके रखा था. Bro, what's that curve by model? It's called market maker model. You can search it on YouTube. Many videos of the MMXM, yeah, market. Search this. Separate है दोनों. Because not in a single fair value, you have to trade inwards. Damn, I want to try selling here. SMT था. See, थोड़ा work. This SMT यहाँ पे कई inversion. Cycle the slope. 30 या 25. इट्स बेटर कि 30 या 25 पॉइंट्स कंसिडर मत करो. लाइक लेट्स से ऐसे कुछ हाइज है, ओके, न्यूज़ से पहले ऑलवेज इट हैपन लाइक दिस. ऐसे कुछ चॉप करेगा न्यूज़ से पहले. सो ट्राई कीपिंग अबव दीज हाइज, क्योंकि दीज आर लिक्विडिटी हाइज. इस अभी यहाँ पे ट्रेड कर रहा है समझो, तो थोड़ा यहाँ से 10 20 के ऊपर ही रख दो, 20 25. तो इस हाई के ऊपर बाई स्टॉप. ओके. एंड as soon as a कैंडल ऊपर जाएगा ना, you have to be very quick in break even कर देना. It shouldn't come back to your entry. So buy stops here. जैसे ही न्यूज़ खुलता है, it'll either go up or down. So as soon as it goes up, either you pass account, try putting like close liquidate कर देना चाहिए इतने profits में. Keep that and yeah, just break even as quick as possible. ट्रिगर होते ही ट्राई करो कि ब्रेक इवन कर सकते हो कि नहीं. नहीं तो 2 सेकंड, लाइक मैक्स 2 या 3 सेकंड्स यू गैव. बी रेडी एंड पुट योर स्टॉप्स टू ब्रेक इवन. जस्ट लाइक प्रॉपर ट्रिक. Okay, now we have this SMT right here. Yep. Yes. Just clean inversion. I'll take one more. Is there any other gap? Oh, there's a 2 minute. Sorry, three. Yep. 3 minute. 3 minute का भी है. हाँ. But this 1 minute is clean though. This is something which I like. This 1 minute inversion is too clean. पर यहाँ पे अभी 3 मिनट का होगा. So what I've done is यहाँ पे entry लो. This is something like you have to treat like game entry. Stops to break even one to one on this side. As soon as it takes out this 3 minute high, break even. That's a little risky. This 5 minute is also getting created. अरे यार 5 मिनट का नहीं चाहिए मुझे. Oh, if it sweeps again, then उधर से inversion, then break even here, target here. I'll try to take this long. 30 सेकंड का मिलेगा. Close that. 92, 93, 92. कन्वर्ट नहीं किया. Take a list. अरे यार. I can take this right now. Entry there. तो डेट से हुआ. अरे yeah, this 5 minute gap, 3 minute gap, SMTV. So this would be my break even. We have 30 second inversion. I barely take that. We'll see. We'll see. Like less contracts. अरे यार यहाँ से ले सकता था मैं. रीटेस्ट हुआ था. Okay, nice. This would be my break even. बहुत क्विक रहेगा ये ट्रेड. ना. थोड़ा आना चाहिए वॉल्यूम. This might end up in loss. शायद. अरे लैग कर रहा है पर इसलिए. ES is nice. ES पुश कर रहा है. N क्यों नहीं कर रहा. अरे आई शुड क्लोज दिस ट्रेड. ES पुश किया. N क्यों नहीं कर रहा. चॉप आ गया. That sucks. बुरा. See what I can do. मेरा एक्चुअली में ब्रेक इवन होना चाहिए था. Because this 5 minute high was supposed to be my break even. यहाँ पे इस 5 minute high पे ले चुका है ये. So you can see this 5 minute high got taken out on ES. कुछ ही नहीं किया. Mm, yeah, 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 yeah. I know it was loss. Yes, धोखा दे दिया. The saw supposed to be a break even. यहाँ पे ब्रेक इवन हिट किया, यहाँ पे मूव ही नहीं गया. The only reason I took this loss, longs was कि ब्रेक इवन अच्छा था. Ah, yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm going. I'm up to $50. Not 250. $176. One trade which I was not supposed to. It is actually a nice trade. SMT here with this 5 minute intermediate low, and then we had this 5 minute unfilled gap with nice break even. अभी जा सकता है बाद में जा सकता है. I got picked out right. अब जाएगा. अब I'm unlucky. I feel like it'll go higher. Okay, this doesn't have bottom, but yeah, I'm going, guys. One win, one loss, up 177. This was supposed to be avoided. Chop में ले लिया. The better longs would have been from the slow. My mistake, seriously. From here. This would have worked अगर ये break even. I thought कि break even चलेगा. Yeah, second. Yeah, I can't do anything. गंदा chop है. So yeah, guys, I'll go by. I think max 2 trades. Take care. Bye bye. If you have anything, you can ask. Yeah, mostly it'll go till 15, but देखेंगे क्या होता है. It looked nice, this SMT, but this inversion right here. Not this, there was a 30 second, and this was nice breaking. And like we stacked like bunch of low resistance liquidity. जाएगा तो जाएगा. यही करूँगा. अरे यार मूड ही खराब कर दिया. This totally my fault. Mm, yeah, I'll go, guys. Have alpha code. It is actually full port. Like put. I'll try finding that reel and send it in Discord if possible. Check that out. I can full port. We still are following this SMT right here. What is it? Why does this candle have no bottom? I got stop rated. Mm. Just also got taken out. Yep, I'll go. I'll go. Bye 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 bye. Have to go eat dinner.